Hi everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Have you ever had a different feeling when you hear the sounds of fingernails scratching on a blackboard? Or when you hear the sound of a knife scratching a plate? Did you feel the shiver or goosebumps in your body at that moment? Please close your eyes. Assume the situations and feel them. Try to hear the sounds that I say. Number 1. The noise of the chalk on a blackboard. Number 2. Sound produced by touching or scratching a soft thing. Number 3. Sound produced by chewing or biting wool. Number 4. Sound produced when biting fingernails. Okay, gradually open your eyes. Now tell me, what is the name of the feeling that you had now? The name of the feeling that you had is called Grima. We express Grima with physical reactions like shivers and goosebumps. Grima is predominantly generated by high-pitched and squeaking noise. Do you like this video? How did you feel while watching this video? Please comment the answers in the comment section. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and ShareChat. Thank you.